Got him. Nice one. Nice bluegill. There we go. Here comes the fish. How in the heck didn't I catch that guy? He was on it. There we go. Oh, this thing is crazy. He's got me pinned. Perch. That is a nice perch. Nice. Yeah. I'm gonna move this over by this side. Nice perchy.
How deep are you right there?
12 feet.
12?
Yeah.
You guys been getting quite a bit?
He's an 18. Caught a couple bluegills, 3 keeper ones so far, and then I just caught that guy.
Nice.
But probably 2 weeks ago, I was just crushing like 10-inch bluegills out here.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're all in like 14 feet of water.
Out here?
Yeah, and like basically anywhere where you could find 14 feet,
yeah,
they're all there.
Huh.
Same with big crappies and stuff. Haven't caught a walleye yet though.
I had a right there over here, but I was out. I had an older hole out here, and we had I threw it in, and a big red mark come in, but he wouldn't take it.
That's like I sat out here 2 nights in a row, and I was out in like probably 25 feet of water, and I was just ripping and rap, and I'd get stuff to come up, crappies.
Oh, really?
Like no walleyes. I've caught walleyes in here.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Usually I catch them over there on that point.
Yeah, to that shelf there.
Yeah, but I don't know. Nothing on tip-ups lately.
Finally. Did he get it? Yeah, he said he's been nibbling on this fucking worm for an hour.
That's
Probably
like
a little baby.
I've been fishing on this lake for 2 years now, and I've only caught 1 northern here. It's weird.
Last year they caught
one about that big last summer, and then a kid last
38 inch.
38 inch northern. He caught
Oh,
over
man.
here.
Over
He
here.
wasn't out for a half hour.
20
Come
minutes.
back.
I couldn't believe it. I'd never seen a fish that big. You live out on the lake?
No, I live in Menasha. It's kind of by like Oshkosh and all that.
Holy shit, this far away?
It's like 50 minutes, but it ain't bad.
Yeah.
But I go to school down in Whitewater, so does he. He's my roommate.
Yeah.
Oh.
But we both live up there, and we basically
You're
just go
down by us.
everywhere.
We're down in Genoa, Illinois.
Okay.
South of Rockford down there. Yeah, you're Whitewater. You're not too far.
Have you ever fished Lake Geneva?
What is it?
No.
Nice.
But I have a niece and a nephew that live right off the lake. They're like 2 houses up off the lake on the south end.
Okay.
Williams Bay down there.
Yeah, I want to try to go out for lake trout there.
Oh.
Never caught one before. This lake with my kayak too, it was cool. I caught a walleye out
That's
here.
what I caught the northern out of, was the kayak about where we're at now. I was just floating across there. Cool.
I'm trying to get this out.
What's in a bucket?
Here, if I run a YouTube channel and you'll see like my catches on the lake.
Oh,
and
yeah.
See you.
If you want to check it out.
That's cool, yeah.
I got my little drone. It's funny, people are,
Flying around here.
yeah, I was flying around, people were looking at it, it was pretty funny.
You get those off of Poigan or Winnicott or Lake Butamore?
That's Poigan.
Poigan?
Yeah, thank you. There you go. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah,
I'll
I
check this
pretty
out.
much fish anywhere I can. That's what I like to do.
Tickle.
He just gave me a brand new tickle
What
stick.
was that? Tickle stick?
Oh, that's
Oh, is that a
sucks.
night and with the trigger?
Well, he's
Oh,
got-
with
you
the
got-
trigger?
Yeah.
I have one, Clam just came out with one of the trigger ones I have, but set up for walleye.
Oh, that thing is.
Yeah, you
It
just,
lets you know when you hit the bottom, you know. And I set it in a holder, and I went over to grab the scoop, and I turned around, and it was gone.
with the newly learned information about my new friend losing his pole down the hole, I figured since I have an underwater camera, I'd put down my rod and try and go help him find it. But this is what happened. You get your reel back yet?
No.
You want,
In that hole is what on. In my tackle box is set.
you want us to see if we can see it on the camera?
Yeah, if you want.
Help you get it back, maybe? Because we were able to see the bottom over there, so I don't know, we might be able to see it.
That was in that hole.
And grab it.
I had it on that holder with that pole sitting on, and I
Did
turned
you-
around and it was gone.
Did you just
The
have,
holder was tipped upside down, and
what kind of bait did you have?
spike, little worm.
Oh, so it must have been like it couldn't have been like a big ass fish. Pull it somewhere. Might be able to see it here.
Yeah, I had it actually locked in this thing, like that. And I turned around and the holder's upside down and the pole's gone.
Let's see.
You got everything, huh? Get one beer.
No, I'm good.
Take, if you want one, take one. We got more in the bucket.
Here we go.
Well, we're hoping somebody's going to catch it over there, right? And then they'll go, holy shit.
I have to come back in the summer with your scuba gear.
You know, I had a old attorney that my wife worked for years ago. He was up on Clam Lake, up north by Hayward up there. And he lost a pole one summer, and the next summer they were fishing in the same area, and sure as heck he hooked something and reeled it in. It was his rod and reel again.
Despite our efforts of looking around with the underwater camera for about 20 minutes, we couldn't find his rod. It was green and it blended in with the weeds, and overall it just wasn't a real great situation. So here's what happened next.
You fucking kidding me?
So I was trying to help Buddy get his out of there, and now mine's in the fucking drink.
It's right there.
Get my GoPro. Get my GoPro.
Where is he?
Right there.
No.
Damn it. Dude, I just caught my rod out of the fucking ice. $140 rod, and I still have a fish on. Look at this shit. I still have a fish on. Look at this. Look at this. Are you serious? I just caught my rod with my other rod, and this is what I have on the end. What even is your life? I thought I lost my $100 pole. It was at the bottom of the lake, 14 feet. Buddy yanked it in the hole while I was trying to help another guy get his rod out of the hole. What is today?
Crazy.
What the actual hell? Oh, he swallowed down his butthole. I got my rod back, baby. I used this pole to get it out. Buddy held the camera for me. We got it with the underwater camera. Look at all the holes I drilled trying to find this freaking thing. Look at this is nuts. We got like 1 bar left on the thing of battery. What? That's
Crazy
a miracle.
day.
That's a miracle.
Crazy day.
That's so crazy. And then we still have this fish on there? What the?
Let's get back to this damn fishing.
Alrighty, folks. We cooked up all our bluegill here. John's a happy camper.
Yes, sir.
Got Dad working hard here. Frying them up. French fries. And we got some beans going too. I got a little risky with the filet job. Cut my finger a little bit, but whatever. It was a pretty good day. Almost lost my pole. Got lucky, got it back. But make sure to like and subscribe. I want to see you guys next time. Peace to ya.